YogiG DG, a unique association of DG Drives and YogiG TechnoEquip, has helped the group to gain market share, develop new product lines, markets, and leverage the company position to be among the leading flat steel processing equipment suppliers in the industry.
Our vision is to be among the leading flat steel solution providers in the world, and our mission is to provide technically superior, highly productive, and energy efficient cold rolling mills and allied processing lines at an affordable investment.
With a humble beginning in 1993 as a manufacturer of small DC drives, DG Drives went on to become a premier ABB Global channel partner, providing world-class energy-saving drives and automation solutions. With a suite of experience in mechanical, electrical automation, hydraulics, erection and production, DG Drives and YogiG TechnoEquip formed a strategic alliance in 2008, providing 360-degree solutions for the flat steel processing industry. Today, YogiG DG excels in the design, manufacturing, and supply of cold rolling mills, continuous galvanizing and galvanizing lines, push-pull pickling lines, color coating lines, HR and CR slitting and cut-to-length lines, and allied equipment. YogiG DG manufacturing facilities are second to none, equipped with modern and high-precision machines and tools. They are capable of producing critical equipment such as tension reels, bending blocks, backup and work roll chocks, all machined to high tolerance accuracy through stringent quality measures. Equipped with 60-ton overhead crane, it has the capability to handle heavy machine jobs such as mill housings of cold rolling mills. The unit is equipped with high precision machines such as floor type horizontal boring machine, table type horizontal boring machine, vertical turret lathe machine, dual head milling machine, moving column milling machine, bed type CNC milling machine, plano miller machine. YogiG DG's commitment to continuous improvement along with holistic approach and a strong will to resolve issues has set a new benchmark in the industry. YogiG DG team has vast experience of process and manufacturing of mills that produce ultra-thin GOGs at tightest tolerance with high productivity.
We can be your preferred supplier of cold rolling mill from planning, design, manufacturing, erection and commissioning of your new mill, and revamping and modernization of your existing mill. With over 4 decades of shop floor experience, we have improved age-old design of 4i and 6i cold rolling mill in India. Now we are offering the most modern and efficient mill with advanced feature. We see ourselves as a troubleshooting authority in cold mill in India.
We have a particular specialization in the cold rolling of steel. We not only supply new machines, but as specialists in the field, we are invited to resolve the issues in the existing mills. We have successfully revamped the old mills for quality, quantity, and equipment uptime enhancement.
YogiG DG is also a pioneer in modern color coating lines, whose excellent quality has far exceeded its customers' expectation.
For our color coating lines, we import the most advanced SRAP coater technology from USA, which ensures uniform and fine metered paint coating control.
YogiG DG has also a modern unit for the manufacturing of AC drives and panels, equipped with fully automated Yangle turret punching machine along with a powder coating unit. They are today a major supplier of industrial automation.
We at Yogi Ji DG can be a single source solution provider for the vast range of the products such as drives, TCS, PLC, HTLT distribution, power factor compensation, AGC, etc. We provide solution not only for the steel industry but for the other industries as well, such as cement, paper, sugar, power, printing, sponge iron, wire and cable, and many more. We have sufficient stock of all the products to provide the prompt service to our customers around the globe.
Highly trained team of AutoCAD design engineers are the cornerstone behind the design department. With the help of latest design and simulation software, the design team brings efficient and cost-effective designs to reality.
हमारे संगठन का उद्देश्य है कि भारत का कोल्ड रोल स्टील उद्योग दुनिया के प्रसिद्ध इकाइयों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के चल सके.
The quality equipment and solutions offered by us optimize metal yield, minimize energy consumption, and enhance output performance. Our unparalleled after-sales service at a short turnaround time has helped us retain our customers for decades.
Some of our esteemed customers are as follows: Motisan Group, MMI Steel, Kibiko Steel, Safal Group, ACCIL Asian, Bhushan Steel, Avon Ispat, Goodluck Steel, MISR Steel, Neelkant, Hula Steel, Rajesh Metal, Nepal.
Quality is not an act, it is a habit. And we at Yogi Ji DG follow it as a way of working. The quality products and solutions provided by us have helped to position ourselves globally in the flat steel industry.
Since 2008, when Yogi Ji DG was conceived, the brand has gained significant recognition in the flat steel industry. The group, with strong international foothold, is steadily expanding and looking forward to the future with the following adage in mind.
It's a great privilege to have such passionate mentors whose relentless intensity and drive for excellence inspires me each day and provides me the adrenaline rush to carry on the legacy.
Make happy those who are near, and those who are far will come.